Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. We continue to unpack on the Senzo Meyiwa case. Yabona Senzo Meyiwa case is a lesson that a person, one person can change your life. Buka laba bhuti about 5. Bakazi bazimambulala uSenzo Meyiwa. 1 or 2 people decided ukuthi fanele babe sejele for the rest of their lives. Zungu's lies. Beno Absalom ubaba wakhe are the first people that made the decision in their lives, but they're still living right, baphila kahle, but thatha ingane zabantu who were actually breadwinners. Accused number 4 unosisi wakhe owahleze ekhuluma ngayo ukuthi I'm taking care of ingane zakhe ezo 3 guys. It's a lot. While you were in jail for something that you didn't do. Someone has even said one day, awungitshela wena umbuka accused number 4 ngabulala umuntu. Bamuntu uhlale ekhothe ihlekela like wow. Ngaze ngangena obishini engingalazi because of some beef engangeni futhi nakuyona namanga ozungu. Wazobaleka uzungu ayihlala eCape Town. Apha uGininda wants us to laugh at things that are not even funny. And akuhlekisa ukuthi uzothi Longo is not a suspect. You can't be serious right now. Are you serious? Ayathanda nje ukudlala. Brigadier Gininda guys will stop at nothing to keep these guys in jail. Bengakaze baze bamdelisa uSenzo Meyiwa. Like I said also earlier on ukuthi they didn't analyze uSenzo Meyiwa labantu. And then you mixing up your stuff. I think you were told by Zungu the whole thing. Na rehearsa with Zungu. You sat down, Zungu was coaching uGininda basically ukuthi this is what you must say no Absalom baba wakhe. Because of the beef they have. Esingayazi yangapha. And again anowaka nongoma futhi lo. Accused number 1. Wale komahlabathini. Just imagine bamfoster uzuyasho advocate tells him ukuthi you can't force him ukuthi kubo akanongoma kuseyena akanongoma. Accused number 2 kahle umuntu akanongoma. You know, guys, Brigadier Gininda is messing up with people's lives, guys. Hey, yeah, ngihlezi ngibuza ngempela ukuthi izophelela lapha lento le. When you've messed up with so many families' lives. Crazy. Sibiya ke accused number 1 umuzi kakhulela Sibiya abize advocate Charles Mnisi ukuthi amtshele ezinye izinto as he was going there. Nangu Ratha seqalile indaba. Kuratha nje can't stop talking like ngesikhathi nje thula guys. I mean this is Mnisi's time. Why can't you just respect that? Manje dumulisa lo Mnisi lo ufuna ukumjump ufuna ukumtry ecourt umtshela ukuthi uyak insulta when he was just telling you into right ukuthi why ungenze izinto right ecourt. You continue to do the same thing obusy ubuzana after sekhulunywe indaba yasemahlabathini manje usubuza unqumala ukuthi ena yakwazi ngamhlaba yalengane. Ngena blog guys. That's so disrespectful actually. Kuhlekweke ecourt ke sethu Ratha and he used to go there for football. My first video on What's the Tea when I was talking, please guys name glow video. Besides videos that I deleted after YouTube saying one demonetize actually YouTube for a year. Njoba eseqala manje ngoMarch ukumbhadala. Ngiphuma kude guys. This channel mangakutshela what I've been through. Uzokhala now ngoba mina I literally cried last day in April when I had 700 videos. 700 guys. I had to delete almost 250 videos. Ethi YouTube nje ngeke sizikhokhe. Imagine first videos ngine video kaRatha lapho. Ngisho ngithi awuyazi leli judge inkosami lizoba right for nje bese khambe lesisipoki lesi uma umele lo wayihlanyela ulo bulldoze this case futhi naye lo wayihlanyela uTefo ecourt ethi get out of my court. Base bethatha uRatha ngithi awangcono kuRatha inkosami uzosiphatha kahle ngoba vele wayidlala isoccer. I have him there playing soccer there egqokile nempahla. Why a soccer player actually a big one uRatha in the 60s even and the 70s I think. Yamuzwa manje sini uhleka indaba yasemhlaba yalengane. Bahleka ke court. Wathi uRatha ngangiya lapho for medicine ekwenza ngiRatha. Umnisi was now schooling Brigadier Gininda. Khumbula wayehleka phela ngalabo corroborate bakhe athi no you collaborate. You don't corroborate. Yabo nje umnisi guys was busy now gaslighting vela abazwaniki. And that is why ekwata ke futhi uBrigadier Gininda ngiyamazi futhi ukuthi is very petty lo muntu. And uzokwata ngivela ngabona ngathi useqaleke ukuthi this is busy gaslighting this guy now. Collaboration, no corroborate. I was just like, now you are starting now. I've never seen anyone obsessed ngokuthi abantu banama-gold tooth abangakazi babe nawo. NjengoGininda bafaka insinuate ukuthi kusho ukuthi bafaka emgwaqeni. Hhayi shame uGininda bandla, he doesn't give up, hhayi. Namangalo baba abantu, hhayi ngeke. Lalela indaba yamazinyo egolide. It's like a broken record. Iyakhathaza, ikhathele leyo ndaba, it's exhausted. Kodwa nje hhayi shame, usabhizi naye uBrothers. Angazi what makes him think uBrigadier Gininda there is anything that's gonna change around the golden tooth or teeth. Nothing will ever change. You made the story up. Ngoba ngisho noKelly but wasenza leso story even naye lowo sisiloyo. Hayi Job. Sibonise kahle ezinye izinto that I've never seen. Bathi naye uthi walibona izinyo legolide komunye wabasolwa bangena. Guys, hayi bo kodwa bakwethu yena lo wayephethe isibhamu is number 3 umthobe simncube njani how akayikho waziyo. Like I said ukuthi lento le izinto lezi uzibona ku TV called fairies yabona izinto zaphesheya ko London o make believe angithi nekwethu inganekwane. Yeah. Hayi o make believe laba I'm telling you uvele na ukholwa uthi awungempela yazi wayinalo izinyo legolide. In fact uNtanzi uyena waboshwa and uyena ovele wayekhona naye involved kulento kaSenzomiwe. It's like a movie guys, I promise you. I've never in my life ngizwa manga nje. Futhi double case is like the worst. Sesihlalele nje ukuthi izinto they must just turn around uma kaSenzomiwa abuthola ubulungisa and the Meyiwazi kuphela. And isifile ukuthi ngoba vele in any case uNkulunkulu angithi wayekade edala umhlaba waletha uAdam noEve. Kuyena vele ocontrola yonke into. One day uzoba controller abantu abayenza lento. I-top 3 yakhona uGininda noBaloyi nomntana wakho uSibanda nabanye ke olongothala bese kulandela kwi-top 10 bese kulandela uKelly Khumalo noZandile. God will deal with these people. Ayikho lento. There's nothing like this. Kudlaliwe nje ngale family. Yeah no, kudlaliwe with the Meyiwazi yeah. Bese kuba lesi story ke sikaGininda ke that he came up with ngoba vele ngithi make believe lo he comes up with these things. So he's like now you remember the bag le imali, the transparent bag with money eyatholakala kuMadalonza akheli yatholakala futhi nakuLongothala. Hayi umnisa ngisivele ufuna uLongothala. Kubhizo hamba ezi nyathelweni zika late uMngomezulu. He's like so now uLongwe naye is the person of interest ngoba ufuna zavume so let's fana sibless vele kazi uLongothala sikhathele anyways. uBrigadier Gininda guys uzobe kutshela ukuthi no Longothala is not a person of interest. Ayi thina kuthina ke bandla uyena umuntu esi-interested kuyena nje kwi-top 5 yayesendlini hayi kaphi. Hayi vele right advocate Miss Mayithi uLongothala uyena kuphela vele umuntu ozosiza ngale ndaba yale 35 second video yakhe. It's tushu on that video. I'm just like he must come and tell us. Angitshela ukuthi uTumelo Madlala waze ngicrashes ngenaphi ngoba phela sikhuluma ngoLongothala. Hayi uBrigadier Gininda guys needs to stop honestly. Hayi guys yahlekisa indaba kaLongothala ethe jumpa ubhuti wakho uAdvocate George Baloyi manje kwathiwa akekho futhi umuntu ojumpa njengaye. Qala yena bese kulandela uBrigadier. Guys uLongothala kavela abizwe. And umnisi uzoyiphusha lento umnisi leyo bantu who makes things happen. He's coming this guy. uLongothala uyathanda uBaloyi benukinda noma bathanda. Usethi manje it's the state's call sort of you know to make a decision ukuthi fanele abizwe noLongothala. Cabanga guys. Hayi Ramusipila kayibekile phansi naye uthi awungitshele yona watshela uSteenkamp ukuthi wafuna ukufaka ama-dreadlocks ku-dance ubuye umfake ne-hoodie in your identity. Ay guys yabo uRamusipila this time I don't know uvele wavuka somewhere is just like you know what ngeke sizodlala uBrigadier Gininda thina. At stage he was even telling Brigadier Gininda ukuthi lalela can you stop this thing yakho ku-elaborate ngibuza into yodwa yes or no. Imagine guys have you noticed ukuthi uBrigadier Gininda is obsessed with gold tooth, gold teeth or mangewona ama-dreadlocks, namehla amakhulu, nama-hoodie. Like those are the things he works around ngazo. Usebenza ngalezo zinto. I'm just like, Maricon, that's all. This time, uRamasipili yamlela uNtanzi. Uzathi, Mr. Ntanzi, wayefaka ngithi accused. Akangenje leyo nto. Oh, but uyambona uNtanzi is not the type. And uNtanzi was 25 guys at the time. Uzobe ethatha apha intshebe. Like sure ukuthi inde like a serious goat hair. Like you see yena uRamasipili. Hayi bahlala ngengane guys. As it's wrong. And enziwe ubrigadier yakhe nento. And uyamtshela uRamasipili uthi yena uthi uNtanzi wayengenayo intshebe. The intshebe lethu keep on telling us around kanjanjani. Hayi. It's irritating, honestly. Guys, so sime lapho kancane ubrigadier yakhe nenda exabana noRamasipili ngendaba ze-oval shape of intshebe. Like honestly guys, angazi ukuthi izinto zisiza ngani. At the end of the day, ubrigadier yakhe nenda wabopha abantu abaronge ababengekho endlini. It's as simple as that. We can go on the whole day. It will never help us. Akuboshwa abantu akufanele baboshwe guys babesendlini. Ngisami lapho today. Thank you so much guys for all the love and the support that you're giving me. I appreciate you guys so much. Ngithanda over. Thank you.